Yes, write down. In the rural areas, we still find about 40% of the agricultural lands concentrated in the hands of 4 to 5% of the land owners in the country. Stop. We cannot forget the number of landless agriculturists, nor can we forget the number of people residing below poverty line. Stop. About 50% of the people in our country are still living below the poverty line. Stop. This has been the achievement of the central government, which professes reduction in inequalities in the distribution of wealth in our country. Stop. What more achievement can be expected of the ruling party and its government, whose economy is primarily to look after the interests of the big industrialists and landlords in our country. Stop. With the horrible background of distribution of wealth in our country, the government is going to introduce this bill, which wants to exempt agricultural lands from the ambit or the purview of levy of estate duty. Stop. I would like to ask the Honorable Minister, while introducing this bill and while enacting this piece of legislation, are you not giving positive incentives to the industrialists of our country to make more investments in agricultural lands and thereby get their properties exempted from the levy of estate duty? Question mark. Are you not inviting a fresh investment of black money in the rural sector? Question mark. Are you not going to give opportunities to the big landlords to get out of the net of the estate duty? These are the questions which I would like to pose before the Honorable Minister. Stop. This bill will not help to mitigate the existing disparities in the distribution of wealth in our country. Stop. This will frustrate the basic objective of the enactment of Estate Duty Act of 1953. Stop. I do not think that faithful implementation of the land reforms measures with stringent provisions for land ceiling could have been an answer to the serious problem of concentration of wealth in the rural sector. But what is our experience here also? Question mark. Land reforms, with the exception of 2 or 3 states, remain merely a show business. What is the attitude of the central government towards land reforms? Question mark. I would like to cite one example. The central government has given the green signal to the Bihar Land Reforms Amendment Bill 1982, which sought to exclude the Tatas from the operation of the Bihar Jamindari Abolition Act, and which sought to restore the intermediary rights of the Tatas in and around Jamshedpur with retrospective effect from 1960. Stop. The central government promptly secured presidential assent to this retrograde bill. Stop. This bill became a law and this is in operation now. Stop.